Hello, hello. Thank you, thank you. How are you? Okay, let's start with gold. This week I was trying to buy, but then price hit my stop loss and then went to the upside. So let's start the analysis again. I knew it was going to the upside. That's why I was looking for buy. Here today morning I've buy the gold over here. I took the buy entry. Okay, here. Price took out the liquidity, broke the structure, created new high, tapped the order block and started to go to the upside and started to go to the upside. Right now, if you look at 4 hour, then price have created this wick, so probably it will retest this 4 hour wick. Let's go to that event. So we have this 1 hour imbalance in the price, which is this one, and price have created this trend line liquidity here. If you look at 5 minutes, then we have this order block over here where we can look for a buy side trade. So we have this imbalance in the price, create a structure to the upside, create a swing line liquidity, tap this order block. So we could see reaction from here, this order block. And if this fails, then probably there will be a second entry from here. Let's try to refine this order block. So this is the order block, refined one, and we have another one over here. So let's use this 5-minute zone for the entry. Here price took out the low, price took out this previous low and then broke the structure to the upside, creating this high. So we could see reaction from this order block also to the upside. Let's look at DXY. Today we don't have any major news, but okay, DXY. Price broke the structure, created this new order block here. So we could see reaction from here to the upside. So probably we already have this reaction to the upside. Price broke the structure and it's mitigating, like it will create liquidity again and sweep this liquidity and continue to the upside from this order block. Or it can just sweep the liquidity and then continue. So we will see a reversal in Euro USD and GU. Let's check EU. So from our previous live, this was our area where we are looking for sell side, and this was the buy side zone. So here, if you look at daily time frame, price took out this liquidity. So overall price is still bullish, and we have the structure break over here. Price broke the structure and created this new low. Right now it's going to the upside, but I think So this is the fair value gap. Let's go to 4 hour. We have this order block over here on 8 hour. And 4 hour, this wick took out the previous candle's high, but it is mitigated. So this is the candle which took out the previous liquidity and then broke the structure to the downside. And again, this was the endorsement which also took the liquidity and then went to the downside. So we could see reaction from here, this order block. So price could tap this area and then we could see a reaction to the downside. So we can look for sell side from this area, this one. So we'll look for some confirmation like chalk or something for the entry. It's 1:6 from here. We'll target this next low. And another thing I'd like to say is we have this wick to the left side. Please hit the like button. So on weekly, let's start the analysis. Hello. So here price have took out this liquidity. So on weekly time frame, price took out this previous candle's high and then they started to go down from here. So right now we have this order block on daily time frame, but on 4 hour there is this area. So right for now we'll skip this. Right now it's reacting from this area only. Let's go to 15-minute time frame. Here, I don't think there is imbalance left in the price after sweeping this liquidity. Everything here has been mitigated. So we have only this. Everything here after that has been mitigated. The price took out this high again. This was mitigated. This was mitigated. There is no imbalance in the price. Only we have this wick. So right now, either it will react from this order block, but because price have reacted from this area, that's why it will just continue to upside and then we will see reaction. So it's better that we look for any chalk over here. So we have this extreme order block on GU, or I like to see a structure break and then continuation to the downside. It's still continuing to the upside from here. Let's go to 1 minute and look for a structure. So let's wait for price to break this low and then we could look for a chalk. Because if GU continues to the upside, then probably we will see reaction from here. Sorry, EU continues to the upside, then probably we'll see reaction from here. So we could see that reaction is coming here. Price is sweeping this liquidity, and from price should react from here, like it should give some kind of engulfing. Then only we look for buy or sell from EU. Okay, let's see Ethereum. Ethereum is rejecting from this order block. Let's look at BTC. Same thing. And it have created this low. Like, let's look at higher time frame. So if you look at weekly, then price have fulfilled this weekly order block, like it tapped the weekly order block. So I don't think it will continue, like it will not take out this low. I think so. I'd like to see a reaction to the upside from here, but this will just a pullback till here. It will be a pullback till the straight out order block, and then we could see a sweep of liquidity or a continuation to the upside because there is a trend line liquidity over here. Already price has been reacting from this area. It's a consolidation, so a pullback till here, and there's this buy side order block over here which mitigated, and there's imbalance in the price. So here we will look for buy. Next liquidity will be the target, so it's around 1:6. And to the left side, there's this breaker block, and there's a failed order block over here. Price have tapped, sweep this liquidity, and that's, I think it's a perfect buy setup. Same thing, if you look at, this is the order block, 8 hour, price tapped, mitigated this low, order block, created this liquid sweep, created the structure break, and also there is order block on Sol USDT. Price took out this liquidity, create the structure break. We will look for buy from here, stop loss below this low. There is this imbalance, we will cover that one. The next will be a target, and we can look for continuation to the upside. So this is something I'm looking for. Yeah, you can look for, but I think this is a pullback till here, and then I think I'd like to see continuation. Maybe it can break the low and continue the downside. No one knows. Thank you. Thank you. So got US30. Stick at. So price have tapped this order block. Let's see if we get any reversal. Then only look for entry. Yes, right now you can look for sell, and then after liquidity you can look for buy side. Yes. Yeah, I knew this price will break this high because it will just fake low, a fake chain of pattern just to create the liquidity. There are some orders in this order block which are pushing the price to the downside, and I'd like to see a real move from this any of this area from this high. Right now, if you look at this area, then we don't have any reaction. Like price is still going to the upside. Now price have started to go down. Like if you notice, then price is still holding this strong lows. So that means that momentum is still to the upside. We want to see price break the inducement lows. That's when we know that price is still going to the downside. Like officially the trend is over. Not the trend, but the momentum is over, and now it will continue downside. I see it is just like smart money concepts only. It's the same. Just the approach is different. Please hit the like button. We are getting the momentum. Let's look DXY. Or 1:4. If you look for entry from here, it's 1:4. Will be around 1:2. There's this imbalance, so I think price will fulfill this imbalance over here. And then we could see a reaction. So price have finally broken this low, which created this inducement, created this high, and swept this previous high as low. Let's wait for price to break this, then we'll look for sell from here, from this order block. Or we'll look for continuation. Like if price continues to downside, yeah, the simple entry will be just look for price to break the previous candle's high, then look for continuation like this. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.